James Crumbly trial is underway in Oakland County. He is the second parent charged in connection to a deadly shooting that his son committed. The prosecution started their opening statement this morning saying how they will show how James Crumbly could have prevented the deadly Oxford High School shooting in 2021. The defense saying he didn't know the shooting would happen.
Earlier evidence is going to give you some context into the family life in the Crumbly household. It's going to give you some context to learn that the shooting didn't just happen out of the blue. The shooter didn't snap. What happened was foreseeable, especially to his father.
Oakland County Assistant Prosecutor Mark Keese says the jury will not determine if James Crumbly was a bad parent. They will instead see how, as a parent to the shooter, he knew what his son's intent was.
You will find that James Crumbly was one of the 3 people in this world criminally responsible for what happened on November the 30th, 2021. And you will find him guilty as charged.
Keese wrapped up his statement after nearly 23 minutes. Then Crumbly's defense attorney, Marielle Lehman, started hers.
The prosecution alleges that James Crumbly had knowledge that his son could and would hurt other people, and that he failed to protect those people, that he failed to take steps to protect others. And ladies and gentlemen, that simply is not true.
Lehman says Crumbly didn't know what his son was going to do.
But what the prosecution wants you to believe, the part that's not true, is that James Crumbly knew what his son was going to do and knew that he had a duty to protect other people from his son. Ladies and gentlemen, that's not true.
Lehman wrapped up in less than 6 minutes, allowing the prosecution to then call their first witness, Molly Darnell. She's the educator who was shot at Oxford High School and was also the first witness called in Jennifer Crumbly's trial, providing emotional testimony.
At some point, were you informed or shown where those shots landed?
Yeah. He was aiming to kill me.
After Darnell, the prosecution called an Oakland County Sheriff's Office detective to the stand. He testified to the video evidence from the school and also text messages. The prosecution plans to call 15 to 20 witnesses in total. They called 21 during Jennifer Crumbly's trial.